I had this idea to use a, weld assembly. Let's have 6 parts to support this muffler piece, and that costed maybe $100. And I spent maybe a couple weeks trying to take out using this tool, right? And I took out, I think, like $20, right? And in maybe 40 hours. And then someone was like, well, what if you use a casting? I was like, well, that's going to be more expensive. Well, tried an aPriori. I used it an aPriori, and it results in maybe a $50 part, I believe. So was able to cut out half of the cost there.
So I'll use aPriori to design maybe something that will be cast and machined then after, and then I'll compare that cost to maybe a sheet metal weldment or something like that to help me make better design decisions. Some of the design intent features that kind of checks if you have holes too close to the edge of the sheet metal part, or maybe if it's a casted and then machined part, it'll watch out for features that maybe can't be machined on that part, and that's been really useful.
One of the best things that I found with aPriori is the manufacturability aspect of aPriori. So if I've got a part where I didn't put a round in, for instance, in a casting, it's going to highlight that. And so I use it a lot of times even for checking my models to make sure that I've got the models right. Because what I've found is Creo sometimes fails on a round.